Are you looking for the best juicers? In this video we will look at some of the best juicers the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. If you hate prep work, the Centrifugal Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is the juicer for you. It can fit a whole apple in its 3.5-inch wide feed tube. Unique rivets on the top of the feed tube help easily position and guide ingredients into the juicer. In our tests, it juiced carrots and kale the fastest and was a top contender when it came to juicing apples. The results all tasted sweet and pulp-free. The juicer's dial is easy to use with helpful speed descriptors, slow for soft fruit, high for hard vegetables. The large, 70-ounce pitcher and heavy-duty lid were a nice bonus, perfect for serving extra large batches or storing leftovers. The pitcher even has a froth separator. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Premium Big Mouth Centrifugal Juicer. This fuss-free juicer is under $150 and performed well in our lab testing. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, fast and makes smooth, pulp-free juice. The 3-inch feed tube fits larger pieces of fruit and veggies, and it comes with a large 40-ounce pitcher with a lid and froth separator. Several parts are dishwasher safe, and it also comes with an innovative cleaning tool that wipes away the pulp from the inside, outside and bottom of the cutting blade in one swipe, while protecting your fingers. Although the juicer was a little loud in our lab tests, the price, speed and results make up for it. Juicer type Centrifugal juicer dimensions 9x 15.5x 15 inches power 850 watts. Number 3. Breville Juice Fountain Elite. Breville's Juice Fountain Elite is a top-notch juicer that powered through sturdy fruits and vegetables faster and quieter than most juicers we tested. The resulting juice from our lab testing was smooth, creamy and pulp-free. It comes with a 1.1 quart juice jug with a froth separator and a 3.2 quart pulp container allowing you to juice a larger amount of produce in one session. It has a large 3-inch feeding tube to fit bigger fruits and veggies, and the juicer runs at 2 speeds so you can juice both hard and soft ingredients. The juicing mechanism contains a titanium-reinforced disc and an Italian-made micro-mesh filter basket made out of stainless steel which Breville claims are designed for optimum juice and nutrient extraction. Juicer type Centrifugal juicer dimensions 12x 13.1x 10.6 inches power 1000 watts. Number 4. NutriBullet Slow Masticating Juicer Machine. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer comes with the basics you need at an entry-level price point. Accessories include a multi-purpose strainer, a juice container with visible markings, a pulp collecting container and a scrub brush for easy cleaning. It's intuitive to assemble thanks to the design of the strainer that only allows you to insert it into the juicing chamber one way. The 3-inch wide chute can fit large pieces of fruits and veggies, and a smaller section accommodates thinner ingredients. The mechanism is also easier to clean than others which are typically narrower with more pieces and crevices. In our initial tests, it yielded 1 cup of apple juice from 3 apples, which is the same impressive amount we juiced from the more powerful pure juicer below. It's relatively quiet and the no-drip spout lets you easily pour your tasty juice when ready. An included recipe book provides tips on juicing and other fun options like using leftover pulp for cooking and baking. Juicer type Masticating juicer dimensions 6.25x 7x 17 inches. Number 5. Hurom H200 Easy Clean Model. This 2021 Good Housekeeping Kitchen Gear Award winner features an updated self-feeding hopper and a large opening that can hold more ingredients while the juicer is running. That means you don't have to worry about standing by and guiding your fruits and veggies into the grinder one by one. While traditional juicer strainers have tiny holes that are harder to clean, this strainer features elongated slits that are much easier to clean without additional scrubbing. In our tests, it produced rich kale juice and apple juice that was very tasty but had some pulp remaining. The inclusion of multiple strainers and attachments allows you to make smoothies, ice cream and even nut milk. It has a slimmer footprint than many juicers because the pulp container is hidden under the juicer. Juicer type Masticating juicer dimensions 20x 15.5x 12.7 inches power 150 watts.